Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm from VanOne. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to estimate the size of your removal, especially how to check the weight of your boxes and luggages if you don't have a scale. All you have to do to estimate the size of your removal, especially the weight of it, is to cluster your boxes and luggages into three groups. The light group of boxes, anything up to 10 kilograms each. The medium size of boxes, anything up to 20 kilograms each. And heavy group of boxes, anything above 20 kilograms. The same thing applies to your luggages. And once you have three reference boxes, the light, the medium, and the heavy, you can check the weight of all the other boxes and luggages by hand lifting them and sensing where do they belong. Do they belong to the light group of boxes or the medium or the heavy group of boxes? Okay, so it's the 10 kilogram group, the 20, or anything above 20 kilogram each. And then you match all the other boxes with your reference boxes, count them up at the end of the process, and list them up in the VanOne insurance form. VanOne insurance form is a template of an inventory that you can download from nearly all pages at vanone.co.uk. It's called VanOne insurance form. And once you complete it, it's a spreadsheet. The document will aggregate all the values for you so you know the total weight and volume of all the goods you're planning to move. Thank you for your attention.